Hello, hello. I know that you are capable of handling a lot, and you've handled a lot in your life. You can hold a lot of space. You are there for other people. You have a big, loving, compassionate heart. You care deeply. You give of yourself and your time and your energy because you care and because you are so capable of taking care of so many things and so many other people at one time. And yet, sometimes it can be a bit too much, especially when there are increasingly more external circumstances that are outside of your control, when the people around you are feeling stressed and anxious, when you yourself maybe are feeling stressed and anxious, and you just can't give the level of care to other people that you would like or that they might need. This is when we can often become overwhelmed, when there is so much going on around us that isn't necessarily to do with us and that's outside of our control. So I want to offer a little practice here for you, for anybody, for those of you who do have these big, loving, caring hearts, who are capable of managing and handling so much, but who also might be a little bit of a highly sensitive. I'm a highly sensitive introvert, and I know that when there's a lot going on around me, there's a lot of energy just from other people globally, socially, whatever it is, it can start to feel like a bit much. So a practice I like to do, and you can do this anytime, anywhere. You can stop. You can do it while in the middle of cooking dinner or in the middle of a conversation with someone, sitting at a traffic light, listening to the news, whatever you're doing, you can just take a moment. Plant your feet firmly on the floor. If you're able to take your shoes off and have your feet just on the floor, I encourage you to do that. But just feel your feet firmly planted on the floor. If you're sitting, feel the seat beneath you supported. Feel the edges of your body. Feel your skin. Feel where your clothing touches your skin. Feel where your skin is exposed to the air. And just relax your body. Relax your body and bring all of your awareness into your body here in this moment right now. Feel yourself here. And now be aware of your breath moving in and out. Just breathe in and out. And with a relaxed body, opening your heart space, relaxing your heart space, just move air deep into your body as you can in a way that feels good for you. Just taking some deep breaths in through the nose, all the way into your belly, and exhaling through the mouth. Breathing deep into your belly, expanding with air, breaking up tension with that inhale, and then exhaling and releasing that tension. Keep breathing like this. I like to imagine a sleeping baby or a napping cat or a dozing dog being deeply at peace. Their bellies rise and expand to get really big when they inhale. And when they exhale, their tummies go super flat. Like that is diaphragmatic breathing. That is how we were meant to be breathing. It's super calming and peaceful, relaxing breath. And just imagining and visualizing a baby, right, just relaxes our body, right? Brings us into that peaceful state. So do this as often as you can when you get overwhelmed. Just breathing in through your nose, all the way into your belly, and exhaling through your mouth. And when you're able to breathe deep into your tummy, again, it can take some practice. It actually kind of presses on the back of the spinal column and activates the calming centers in your body, in your nervous system. So bringing all your awareness back into your body, into yourself in this moment, and recognizing that in this moment, everything is okay. And you are responsible for you and only you. Keep doing your healing work. Keep taking care of yourself. Keep doing your self-care. Do whatever you need to do to care for yourself. This is the only way that you can care for other people. You cannot pour from an empty cup. You must first care for yourself. And in this moment, all is well. Look around you. There's no lions and tigers coming after you. You are safe, right? And then practice some gratitude. Thank you. Thank you for these feet on the floor. Thank you for this breath. Thank you for this body. Thank you for the people I love. Thank you for the rain, the sun, nature. Thank you for this food. Thank you for clean water. Thank you for electricity. Thank you that I can pay my bills. Thank you, 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 right? Keep breathing. Keep staying with yourself. I'm Jessica Amos. I'm a mindfulness and meditation teacher. I am a life transformation coach, and I am the founder of Stay With Yourself, which is the practice of being who you are, where you are. And that is all you are responsible for. That's all you really need to do in any moment, especially when you're overwhelmed. Come back to yourself. Stay with yourself. Do the next best thing. Breathe. Give thanks. If you need to sleep, sleep. If you need to say no, no. That's okay. Okay? I'll talk to you soon. Sending you so much love. May you stay with yourself today and always.